Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show how to fix folder always open a new window in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now the case is when you bring up your File Explorer, okay, and when you try to navigate to your this PC at the left pane, and when you click on your C drive, the moment you click or open a new file folder, a new window would be bringing up as well. Okay, so as you can see, the moment I've opened this boot one, a new window would be appearing. Every time I click a file folder here or a fan anything, okay, a new window would be appearing. And in order to fix this problem, we'll be performing a very basic step. Okay, so let me just close all of these windows. So firstly, you need to proceed to the button search bar. So if in case you haven't seen any of your File Explorer aligning the taskbar, you can simply use the search bar and type for File Explorer. By the way, you can also press Windows key and letter E key together in the keyboard, and in that way you will be able to bring up the File Explorer. So from here, please click on this Open option to continue. And you would be able to see a window like this. Please proceed to the upper right side, upper center of it. You can see there are three dots. Sorry, upper center, So click on it, and the moment you do it, you would be able to see this one options, which has this gear icon. So click on it, and eventually you'll be able to bring up the folder options small window. From here, it is being composed of three sections, which are general, view, and searched. So let's proceed with the general. And you can see there browse folders. There are two options which are open each folder in the same window and open each folder in its own window. Now the reason why we face an error is that we have turned this on. So it's very important to turn the other side, which is open each folder in the same window. In that way, when we open a file folder, it will be open here in the same window. So click on apply and then OK. And the moment you do it, when you try to navigate to the C drive, when you try to open your windows, no new window is opening. Okay, it's being open in the same window. So when you try to bring up this one, no new window is opening here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, so by that you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.